Today we will introduce a powder filling machine. This machine is suitable for filling powder from 10 kilogram to 50 kilogram. Here is the touch screen. Now we press the English interface. As you can see, the target weight is 8 kilogram. Then we press start. Here is the sensor. Your hand feel the sensor, then it began to work. And you can see the data changes in this touch screen. When reached to the target weight, it will discharge. Then we go to the next step. Here is the conveyor belt. Press the conveyor belt. The belt is begin to work. Now here is the stage scene. It's automatically. You can connect the stage automatically. It's very easy to operate. Here is the foot switch. When you want to stop the conveyor belt, just step it. Then it will start again. Here is the switch. It's also
就是恁说的那个键，
启动啊，
就这，
启动第一字儿
就
点一下，
头一字点一下。
他就说为啥我每次报都要重新再按个启动呢？我
another bag, filling another bag. Repeat the same process.
开始了。
Then you use your hand to feel the sensor. It will clip the bags automatically. When it reaches the target weight, it will discharge. That this process is clap the bags to make the bags full. When the bags touch the sensor, here is also a sensor switch here. The belt will stop automatically. Now just step the foot switch to repeat. Okay. 尖一下叫别个的。
咱那我跟着这骑